Hi guys, very good afternoon to one and all. This is Trading Twilight and I'm Ankita Agnihotri and today we have Friday. So month and like maybe closing we have today itself. So this is very likely to Nifty and Bank Nifty will be going to close in red. This is very much likely to happen at here. Like we have 24,500 where it's going to be like one trade I just found at here. This is the reason I'm just making this video because till yesterday as well, like till tomorrow we are not like in a position to like take at this particular consolidation. So here one intraday trade is going to be active below 500, and this is already like it has took a rejection from 24,540, which is again a rejection level again and again. So here you can make a simply SL of 24,540, and this 100 point down which is possible below 24,460, we can see 24,400. So simple and easy target you can take. This is cup and handle, where I have found a cup and handle. So we have like below this 24,460, so 100 point is down the line, it's possible. So 100 point if you take 24,460 below, so firstly it will be going around somewhere like 380 area or somewhere. So you can book your profit. Like this is a kind of Friday we have. So and monthly ending is possible to be towards the negative, so you can take and trail your target as per your risk appetite. Like 24,400, firstly you can take this target, and partially you can book your profit because market can retrace from anywhere, and just because of Friday, so it will be going to adjust the premium. So firstly, wherever you can be in a profit, and you just trail it and do the scalps in the selling side, and sale on rise is activated. So I'm not happy with this particular scenario because 500 we have a kind of intraday support here, but when the support is going to be distorted, like we have very nearby the hurdles is there. 24,540 is a hurdle, very big hurdle. 24,580 is a hurdle. So very smooth price action is there, like it will be going in the downside, so the possibility will be high, and the 80% probability we have, like it can touch 24,400 and 380 area. So I this is my personal analysis. So do your personal analysis as well. If you are found any like trade according to my like analysis, your analysis is going to be matched, then you can definitely go for your trading. And this is a disclaimer, all contents are for education purpose. So if you are making any buy and sale as per my analysis, so consult to your financial advisor. And the bank nifty can it is like already giving a close below like 54,000, so it is more bearish than nifty, so it can drift towards 53,500 or like 700. This would be like 100 points today. I am just expecting because just because of Friday. So the month hand will be like going to close in somewhere 24,400. This would be likely to happen. So in this way you can go for a only for a scalps. That is the best decision at here at this particular place. Do not found for big opportunities at here. So from 500 to 400 is likely to possible. We can make 400 a target, and then if you see like it will be going below 400 and give a close uh, on 15 minute, then definitely one more move towards 380 or 350 area you can see. So I'm just hoping for the 400 to touch once, and then I will be going to decide. Maybe 3 p.m. we will see more downside below 400. So 350 380 area I will be gonna book. So this is a simple price action here. Like in a first candle you can see this, there is a like big rejection at this particular first candle. This is per wick, where nifty had like try to go upside, and it's the same price action we have seen in like last 3 days. If you go with the chart now, I just give you like quick review. This is again same price action, and it has failed from going like day high, and day before yesterday we have seen same price action, it is failed where we have like opened as a gap down, and then it is unable to give a day high, a close, and then we have seen a fall during the end. The same way I am just looking for a this sailing again going to be triggered, and this is, it has took a rejection 51 retracement level yesterday, and this is the perfect level. It is below 51 retracement, so it is ready to touch 24,300, likely to happen. But like today will be possible now, it will be going to, like they are going to adjust the premium, so it is kindly you can take a small targets and do a scalps, which is a feasible and better option at here. So try to find opportunities in the short side, and sale on rise is already activated. I have made a position at here, like where it's got rejected from 20 like EMA below this, and this candle's low. It's my like I have taken a position and SL above this 20 moving average above, so somewhere 560 is my SL, and simply going to trail it, because this is the best opportunity I can see. Like everyone is bearish, but you have to find the opportunity according to sale on rise. So this is the best way for sale on rise, and small opportunities you can grab at here. So maybe this like India VIX is going to be touched 12 or like 1250 area. So in this way Nifty will be going to drag 24,400 and 380 area. I'm not looking for more than that by today itself. 300 is possible, so trail as per your risk appetite. And I have told you the levels yesterday below 54,000, so which is likely to happen. It will be going to touch again 53 like 600 below, so 55 53 500 you can take your target. And Nifty, like Bank Nifty is more bearish than Nifty. So kindly trail your positions at here as per your risk appetite. If your risk appetite is not allowing you at going on the supports to sale, so kindly skip, and you can go for Monday, freshly go for a